everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guarantee RV. I am super excited to go over this 2015 Rockwood A122BH. Not every day we get a great used trailer like this. Let's go on inside and take a look. So inside, one of my favorite layouts. It's just simple, easy to deal with. You've got your dinette on this side that does make down into a second sleeping area. And then in the back here, we've got the bed. Here's that other cushion for the dinette here, in case you were wondering. Nice bed back here. Below the bed, we've got a heat pump. This will cool and heat the trailer. We've got a microwave over here. Nice little drawer here, and a cabinet across. And then check this out. Below the bed here, we've got additional storage. There's a barbecue mount down there. There's a table, there's a porta potty, and there's room for more stuff. Fridge directly across from the door. Nice 3-burner stove here. And a sink with hot and cold running water. One quick mention about this table. It's freestanding, kind of convenient. You can use it inside or outside. As we move to the outside, we got the large grab handle, which I like. It just makes life easy getting in and out. 110, so if we need power, we've got it right there. This is just for your AM/FM stereo inside. You got your outside speaker there. This rail right here is where that table that was underneath the bed mounts. It's also where the barbecue mounts. In order to run the barbecue, you've got propane right here that is tied into the onboard propane. Very convenient to not have to bring extra propane with you, especially when storage is at a premium. Full-size spare tire. Here's some nice savings right here. Tags are good until 2/19. On this side, the storage over here is actually fantastic because you've got this little pull-out tray. That's currently where the 30-amp power cord is being stored. As we move down, we've got the back of the Cool Cat heat pump right here. Cable. This is where you fill water if you're going to go dry camping and take it with you. Put it in here. And this is your gray dump. So see, just like that, you're going to want to catch that in a bucket or a basin and dispose of that in the proper area. We've got our hot and cold outside shower here. If you're staying in a park, this is where you'll plug into city water. Back of your refrigerator. Furnace exhaust. This is where that 30-amp power cord ties into right here. And this is our water heater. Now we're back up front here. We've got the really cool rack up here. So this is great for bicycles, firewood, coolers, any of those bigger items you want to take camping, great place to put it. If you have any questions on this 2015 Rockwood A122BH or any of our other RVs in stock, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thank you very much. Have a great day.